like being in California? Be a superstar?
Hi, my name is Seihi.
And I'm Shannon. This is Joku.
Many years ago, we thought we would get Joku to be our garden worker, tilling the soil, eating the bugs. But very early on, we recognized how talented Joku was, and like any good Asian parent, we decided to give her music lessons. She started playing the xylophone about a year ago, and then she picked up the keyboard. She's a natural.
We have some other chickens who will play, but don't necessarily concentrate as long.
We absolutely love Joku.
I definitely just sit there beaming when I watch her play. I think she is a musical protege. Absolutely. The whole bird brain thing is completely false.
It's almost like she was meant to play the keyboard.
And go, ladies.
She's ready for it. This is her time to shine.
What's that?
I don't know.
Is that a chicken? Is it a chicken? It is a chicken.
Hello.
Hello.
No.
Hello.
Okay, what are your names?
Seihi.
I'm Shannon.
And who are you here with today?
Joku.
Tofu?
No, Joku.
Joku.
What is Joku going to do?
Nope, got it.
She's going to play the keyboard, and she'll play America the Beautiful.
Are you serious?
Yes,
She
absolutely
plays the
positive.
piano.
She does.
Yes.
She's going to play that keyboard
No
right
way.
there. But
No, she's
yes, she
not.
picked it up very quickly. She's very intelligent.
Amazing. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
I can't wait to see that.
You can do it.
The chicken's going to play the piano.
Good luck, baby. All right. Do your thing.
Wait a minute. No way. No! That is crazy.
Is what I call talent.
Oh my God. When you feel like you've just seen it all, you have a chicken playing the song. I can't believe it.
Howie, what did you think?
What makes one think that, oh, we have a chicken, let's get a piano?
Well, we actually have a drummer as well.
Are you putting together a chicken band?
Yes, we have one.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh, can you imagine? Simon, for your label, a new band, it's all chicks.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what? I think we're kind of talking as if this sort of thing normally happens. This is historic. Well, let's vote. Howie, yes or no?
Yes!
Mel?
Oh, definite yes.
Heidi?
This is literally one of the craziest things I've ever seen here on America's Got Talent. Really, love this act. Definite yes. Love it!
This is one of the most incredible things I've ever seen on any of these shows. You got 4 yeses. Congratulations.